So I just came across this incredible thing about Claude skills, and it's like a game changer for productivity.
Wait, what are Claude skills? Are they just chat functionalities or something more?
Exactly, they enable Claude to perform real tasks like sending emails or posting to Slack. It's super versatile.
That's fascinating. So it's not just about generating text. It can actually take actions across different apps.
Right, think about it. Claude can connect to over 500 apps, which opens up so many possibilities.
Hold on, how does it handle authentication for all these apps? That sounds complicated.
Great question. There's a plugin that manages all that for you, so you just install it and provide your API key.
That sounds user-friendly. But I wonder if there are any limitations to what Claude can do once connected.
Definitely, while it's powerful, some tasks might be too complex or specific for Claude to handle perfectly.
I guess that makes sense. But what happens if it fails to execute a task? Is there a fallback?
There's guidance on error handling, but it's still a work in progress, so users might need to troubleshoot occasionally.
Interesting. So, could this lead to users becoming too reliant on Claude? I mean, what happens if it goes down?
That's a valid concern. Dependency could be an issue, especially if people expect Claude to always be available.
Right? And what about the skills themselves? Are they easy to create or modify?
They have a structured format, so it's not too hard, but it requires some technical know-how.
That makes sense. Are there examples of specific skills that really impressed you?
Oh, absolutely. Skills like document processing and project management automation stand out.
I can see how useful that would be. But do you think they could replace traditional tools?
Not entirely, I think. They enhance tools rather than replace them. It's about collaboration.
That's an interesting perspective. It sounds like it could be a complementary tool for existing workflows.
Exactly, and with customizable workflows, users can tailor Claude to fit their unique needs.
So if I'm understanding correctly, users could essentially create their own Claude skills.
Yes, it opens up a whole new level of personalization and efficiency.
But what if someone creates a skill that's not very effective? Is there a review process?
Good point, there's a community aspect, but the quality can vary since anyone can contribute.
That could lead to some skills being less useful or even counterproductive.
Exactly, users will have to sift through to find quality skills among the crowd.
Still, the potential for innovation seems huge. I'd love to experiment with creating a skill.
You definitely should. It's a great way to optimize your workflow and learn in the process.
What about security? If Claude is accessing so many apps, how are users' data protected?
That's crucial. They emphasize security and privacy, but users definitely need to be cautious.
I guess the more connected it is, the more risks there could be, right?
Definitely, users should always be aware of what data is being shared and how.
This is such a nuanced topic. It really makes you think about the future of AIs in daily tasks.
Totally, it's exciting, but we also need to navigate these complexities carefully.
So if I were to start using Claude skills, what would be the first step?
The first step is installing the relevant plugin, then you can start exploring available skills.
Cool, I can't wait to dive into that. It sounds like a new frontier for productivity.
Exactly, and who knows what even more advanced skills might come out in the future.
It's like the possibilities are endless. I love where this is headed.
And there's always room for community input and collaboration, which is so exciting.
It's almost like being part of a tech revolution. What an inspiring time to be involved.
Totally, with every new skill, we're redefining what our tools can do.
This really challenges the status quo and opens up new avenues for innovation.
I think the key is to embrace both the opportunities and the challenges that come with it.
Agreed, so what's the big takeaway from all this?
We're on the brink of a new era where AI is not just a tool but a partner in productivity.
Exactly, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it evolves.
Definitely, it leaves us with so many questions about the future of work and technology.
And what role we as users will play in shaping that future.